Everyone, this is Itech 7415 Sprint Retrospective. Our project is Digital Homework Support Club. I am the group leader, Maria Valerie Cabico, and the group members consist of Narendra Goli, Vivek Thakur, and Sandeep Singh. Our client is AMEYS, is represented by Dr. Berhan Ahmed. This is the summary of the events on Sprint 1. Sprint 1 just started from week 1 up to week 5. Each team member have spent at least 40 hours per week, and we have divided our product backlog into different project management groups. Project pre-initiation, which was completed on week 1 to 3rd. This is our first milestone or the project kickoff, which started on March 16, 2020. It consists of project allocation and identification of client and Scrum Master and team. Next is the project initiation, which was completed on week 1 to 5. Here we have identified project stakeholders and set the kickoff meeting with the client, which happened on April 16, and the second client meeting on the May 3rd. And lastly, the project planning, which was completed on 3rd to week 5. So as a group leader, I organize meetings, control the project time management, and monitor the progress. Here are the things that I accomplished on Sprint 1. I acted as a client liaison and successfully accomplished 2 meetings with the client, and I emailed meeting catch-up right every after meeting adjourned and supplied necessary documentation. I also collated the task for project assessment and documented project storyboard and project roadmap and backlog using MS Excel and PowerPoint, and the project vision write-up. I also designed the user interface for different user group in the portal, such as the administration and student page using the Figma tool. I created e-portfolio for project assessment submission for tasks 1, 2, and 3, and I monitor progress with the use of Trello every now and then. On this project, I have applied my knowledge on project management and enterprise system technology to manage and integrate the project, and I have learned to use different project management tools, user interface design tools, and database management tools. Now, moving on with our next team member, Mr. Narendra Goli.
Hi, I'm Narendra Goli. I'm the one of the developer of this team. Here are the things that I accomplished on Sprint 1. Project storyboard, user stories write-up, and a project scope. In a project roadmap, revised user stories and a preliminary drafting of use case diagram of the portal. Developing the system that is built upon the Laravel framework, creating infrastructures and managing site functionalities and implementing application features. I have learned basic of Laravel framework by means of watching the videos tutorials and references from the resources. Equipped with my knowledge of my SQL and PHP and HTML, I am able to understand explore this framework working with the web developing using a familiar tools is easier, but learning new tools have its benefit. I developed this main frames and things, which is like a parent and a home, how it look like in a sprint one. Thank you. And
Hi,
Next
this is
member.
Vivek. Hi, this is Vivek Thakur, and I'm from Enterprise System and Business Analyst. During the sprint one from week 1 to week 5, I just made project approve for the whole project storyboard, in which I have discussed the agile methodology, which is how it's gonna be beneficial for our whole project. And then I have designed user interfaces for parents and teachers by using the software Figma. This is how our portal is gonna look like when we develop a product. And then I have written minutes of meetings from week 1 to week 7, in which I have discussed all the meetings between us and supervisor and with the tutor and with the client. And in spite of all these, we had meeting every day and have some software guys for providing them sources and important materials related to coding for product development. Thank you. Next gonna be discussed by the Sandeep.
Hi everyone, this is Sandeep here, student of software engineering and part of the team member. Uh, the things that have contributed in this storyboard, agile methodology, roadmap, and other things. So step by step, I'm going to say. The first thing that I have done is we have followed the links and we have thought the assumptions and all, like the things that has been sent to us by Professor Abbas to follow the Laravel framework and to find the solution for the thing that we are going to produce. The next one was the roadmap that has been created by me. It was an assumption of the whole thing from start to end and whom is going to do what and what is contributing what, like the parent, student, and all. The next one was the agile one. In this, we have done several steps. We have included several steps, and by using them, all of the things we have developed, and we are developing a Laravel framework by following the tutorials that has been provided to us by Professor Vas.
That is all for
Thank
the
you.
Sprint 1 retrospective. Thank you so much and goodbye, everyone.